Hello, welcome back to another video. Guys, today in this video I am going to teach you how to minimize or you can say medium a desktop icon. Here you can see this desktop icon and you have to medium it. It's so large and you have to medium it. Guys, in shortcut keys, guys, very easy and very simple method to do it. Guys, if you are new in my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start our video. Guys, in your keyboard you can see the control button. Press and hold it. Control Shift plus 3. You can see this guys very easy and very simple method. Control Shift plus 3. Guys, very easy and very simple method. If you are new in my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.